Sir Lee. So how was your research process and how did you choose to write? Why did you choose to write the screenplay in a non-linear manner and how hard was it?
Um, I think it took us 3 months work sa research. Si Marilu kasi, tatambakan kanya ng mga libro. Ang kakapal at ang dami-daming libro. At yung iba in Spanish, pati yung novel in Spanish, pinabasa niya sa amin maski hindi namin totally maintindihan. Kasi sabi niya kailangan mag-immerse kayo, pasukan niyo yung mundo ni Jose Rizal at yung mundo niya that time. So 3 months research kami, 3 kaming writers. Aside from my researchers pa kaming 3. Yun, todo aral, todo research. And then it took us another 3 months para isulat yung script. And then during the shooting, nag-evolve nanganganak. Pag nasa shooting ka, then nakikita mo kung paano nag-grow organically yung material. And so, there will be countless discussions with Marilu. And si Marilu mahilig mag-discuss. As in, katakot-takot na discussion, walang katapusang brainstorming. So, we'd be discussing, magre-rewrite kami, magdadagdag kami eksena, mag-shoot siya, magdi-discuss ulit kami. And there were occasions when nasa shooting na kami, nasa set, ayan, buti na lang humina yung ilaw. Na nasa set kami, ang dami ni Marilong guest ng mga direktor, sina Peque Gallaga, sina Chito Ronyo, Don Escudero, Manny Castañeda, Toto Natividad, si
Joey Lamangan,
national artist Tony Mabesa, another national artist Kidlat Tahimik, ano sila lahat. And si Joey Lamangan. So, nung nasa set na kami, sabi ni Joey Lamangan, bakit lahat silang gaganda ng mga roles nila at may dialogue pa yung karamihan ng iba? Ba't ako wala akong role at wala akong lines? So on the spot, pinagsulat kami. Actually, pinagsulat kami ng eksena. Kaya yung eksena niya, yung Gobernador Sinyo, na hinuhuli, dagdag lang yun sa set dahil nagrereklamo si Joel Lamangan na dehado siya compared to the other directors. So yun yung dinaanan namin. Walang katapusang writing.
Hindi ba yun nakapagpahaba?
Si director, ini-involve ng writers hanggang sa post-production. So hanggang editing, nagko-consult siya, nagdi-discuss siya.